सॉरी थोड़ा लेट हो गया. कितना बहुत लेट हो गया. I think 20 minutes late हो गया. I was busy with seeing a lot of happy messages from candidates this way, that way, and all that. बहुत चलता था, इसलिए I was not able to concentrate on this. And now, yeah.
Sir left the meeting.
I also feel that. Sir ही निकल गए.
आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं गुजरात, सूरत. कब है आपका इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल्ड?
7th April. आपका?
अच्छा, 6th को है.
Okay. Are you selected in today?
क्या?
Today you have got selection or not?
नो, मेरा एक भी रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव नहीं आया. इनफैक्ट मैंने सारे मेंस दिए, सिर्फ आरआरबी छोड़ के. बट आज एक्चुअली मेरा कट ऑफ से सिर्फ एक जस्ट 1 मार्क्स. आई वाज लाइक हो जाता. ईडब्ल्यूएस में आई एम सिलेक्टेड, बट जनरल में नहीं हुआ.
एक मिनट, सैन ना कॉल कर रहा है.
ओके.
सर का लाइन कट हो गया था.
Excuse me. Manisha Bigani, you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know. Some problem happened. Suddenly the line got cut, and she said my line was cut and all. Tiasa, are you there now online?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. We'll start now. Please tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Tiasha Roy. I am 22 years old. I have completed my graduation in mathematics in the year 2021. After that, I have been preparing for competitive exams, and this is my first interview.
Good. This is the first interview you are attending. Good. So what is your father?
Sir, my father is a state government employee. He is working in West Bengal State Electricity Board.
Acha, West Bengal State Electricity Board. Acha, West Bengal is getting maximum electricity through which mode? Is it through coal, coke, or is it through water, or is it through solar energy? कुछ idea है आपका?
Sir, it is West Bengal is getting maximum energy from thermal energy.
Good. Thermal energy. Correct.
Yes.
Can you please elaborate what is solar energy?
सर सोलर एनर्जी वो एनर्जी है जो सन से आता है. सन वो जो रोद है उसको क्या कहते हैं, उसको एब्जॉर्ब करके जो एनर्जी होता है वो उसको ही सोलर एनर्जी कहा जाता है.
You can simply say energy derived from sun's rays. Sun's rays.
Yes, sir.
That is all. Nothing else. It's a very simple thing. Yeah. And you studied BSc.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, why do you want to join State Bank of India? What are the reasons that makes you like State Bank of India?
Sir, State Bank of India is India's largest public sector bank, and also it works as a bank to the bankers where RBI doesn't function. So, and it is a big brand, and also I need a job. That's why I established myself as a banker. That's why I want to join State Bank of India.
But I want a job, so I'm interested in this. Good, that is right. What do you think are the qualities you possess that are suitable for bank officer's job?
Sir, I am a quick learner. I think I am a good listener and I have leadership qualities. Also, I am hardworking. So, I think these qualities are applicable for any public sector.
Yeah, good. So, do you think what is the job role of a bank officer in State Bank of India?
Sir, I am applying for probationary officer, and in this post, one have to maintain the branch as a manager and also maintain his or her staffs.
Hmm. Bolo. No, but you may have to tell something more also. A bank officer has to receive the customer with a smile, explain him about the various schemes of the bank, help the customer in fulfilling the KYC formalities and opening of bank account, help the customer in getting, say, his debit card, then passbook, checkbook, and whenever he opens fixed deposit, give him fixed deposit receipt. And bank officer is also responsible for canvassing of doing cross selling by canvassing of deposits from, I mean, by canvassing of insurance policies, mutual fund products. ये सब क्यों, ये जो बहुत बार हमने क्लास में तो बोला है ना, ये क्यों आप आपने बोलने नहीं पाते हैं? Why are you not able to tell this?
Sorry, sir. I am not.
No, but don't you feel I would have discussed this more than once, twice?
Yes, sir.
In the classes many times, and you were one of the very regular students of my class, and आप भी इतना struggle करते हैं. Why don't you try now after my telling you some of these points? Now, please tell me in brief words what are the main functions of a bank officer?
Sir, a bank officer has to maintain his branch and his staffs. He has to maintain his customers. He should have a good relation with customer so that he can encourage his customers to open account, savings account, current account, fixed deposit. He can give loan to the customers. It can increase mutual fund of his branch
Good,
also.
very nice, super nice, Boldia. Good, and try to develop a good answer for this. This question is very much sure for any interview. That is, what is the job role? Then, what are the qualities you have? Why we should select you? And why are you preferring State Bank of India? And about your home state or home district, ये सब regular questions है. जरूर उसको prepare कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is the tagline of State Bank of India? This point we have not discussed in the class, true. But today in one interview, I asked a girl, there are some 5 taglines, it seems. Are you aware of them?
Yes, sir. I know pure banking, nothing else. The
Correct.
banker to every Indian. These two
Good.
can I can remember now.
Super. And in fact, I am giving you a link. Um, mm, yeah, I'm giving you a link which will give taglines of all banks also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
I'm giving you in our 2023 group. I could not go to 2023 group from the morning. जाना है, पता नहीं क्या होगा. Now, good taglines देख लीजिए उसको. पढ़ लीजिए आप.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, how many siblings you have, Tia?
Sir, I am single child.
Very bad. Single child तो very bad. Tia सा का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, my meaning of my name is thirst, Trishna.
Oh, thirst. That means you have a thirst for achieving good things and getting good things and all. Good. Very happy. अच्छा जी. Now, बैंक में क्या क्या काम चलता है इसका बारे में एक लेक्चर दे दो हमको 2 मिनट का अंदर में.
Sir, in bank, various operations can be done, like opening a account to make deposit, to withdraw deposit from the account. We can have current account, savings account, recurring deposit, fixed deposit. One can take loan from a bank. Also, one can update his passbook from a bank, and there are various financial activities are there.
No, but yeah. No, what you said is nothing wrong, but I will show you to the SBI website. इसको देखने से आपको पता हो जाएगा. Are you seeing now that screen? No.
No, no, sir.
Are you seeing that now?
Yes, yes, sir.
If you go through this, you will know what are all the things you have to say. A bank, what are they doing? Bank, they collect deposits from the public first. They collect as say demand deposit as well as time deposit broadly. Then
Okay.
they make advances. They make advances for different purposes, agriculture, then say for priority sector and other priority sector. They do give good for personal loan, car loan, home loan, etc. Bank also does say wealth management services, like they help the customers for investments of their deposits, investment of their money in various schemes. Then banks also issue cards, debit card, credit card. Then some banks are like State Bank, they have business debit cards, like that, so many things. Then you can also tell banks also do digitalized transactions. ये भी दे सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now, please tell me some points about doorstep banking service.
Sir, doorstep banking service is that service when customer do not need to go to the branch to done any work, and any agent from bank comes to their home. Doorstep service, under doorstep service there is cash delivery, cash pickup, check delivery, and life certificate renewal, pension delivery.
Super, I am happy. You told very nicely. Please tell me something about deposit insurance. Hello?
Yes, sir. I can't recall it now.
DICGC, Deposit Insurance
Yes.
Credit Guarantee Corporation. उसका बारे में जानते हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is what I
Okay,
was
okay.
asking in a different name. Deposit guarantee.
Okay.
बताइए.
Yes, sir. DICGC is one of the subsidiaries of RBI. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, and it gives insurance over the money we deposit in the bank. Small finance bank, public sector bank, private sector banks, RRBs, payment banks, and these all banks are under DICGC, and it gives insurance up to 5 lakh.
Super. Per individual.
Yes, sir.
5 lakh per individual. Supposing one has 20 lakhs, he may get back only 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
That is the thing. Good. Do you think this limit 5 lakhs is sufficient or should it be raised?
Sir, it depends on how much money one is saving in his account.
True, but is the medium answer is like this. You should say that government has revised this DSCGC limit recently from 1 lakh to 5 lakh about 3 years ago only. And since in our banks, majority of the advances are covered under this limit, I think it is sufficient if it continues in this, something like that. But हमारे
Okay.
लिए ये sufficient नहीं है, फिर भी हम आपको बोलते हैं. समझ गया?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Very good, excellent. Now, who is your role model?
Sir, my role model is one of my cousin brothers.
What is he doing?
He is also a banker.
अच्छा, किधर?
Bank of India. He is
वो
in
क्या काम? As
हाँ,
what?
probationary
Is
officer.
Oh, great, 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 great. He is also a probationary officer. Then you can talk to him and get to know more ideas about banking and all that. Huh? Good. Very thing. I think I told you once also.
Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Now, can you please, shall we go to current affairs? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir. I have read. I don't know how much can I tell.
Please tell me what is the current affair news regarding EPFO interest rate?
Sir, EPFO has raised its interest rate to 8.15% from 8.1% for all its PF members.
Good. Can you tell me some of the important news about Kolkata? Kolkata में की important anything important is happening or anything bad is happening? उसका बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir, in Kolkata today I have read that one musical instruments museum is opening in Salt Lake, and I I can recall this all now. Actually,
But
कोलकाता के बारे में मैंने उतना कुछ नहीं पढ़ा.
if you have read the latest newspaper, you could have known. I think there is some problem in Howrah, some Ramnavami procession and all.
Yes sir, yes sir. Sir, वो political चीजों के बारे में भी बोलना चाहिए.
बोल सकते हैं. There is nothing wrong with medium approach, medium order.
Okay,
Medium order, you can tell that. What is the temperature in Calcutta now?
sir, I don't know. Maybe it is around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius.
Is there any news about trams being introduced in Calcutta now?
What, sir?
Trams.
Sorry, sir, I can't recall.
Now, what are, because GK today they are telling about history of Calcutta tram. You know, before you were all born, there was a facility known as trams.
Yes, yes, sir.
Abhi to wo nahi hai. Trams still
हाँ,
operate.
हाँ.
But I don't know why they are mentioning about it now. They are in operation in Austria, Estonia, Denmark, Russia, Belgium. Trams are the colonial imprints. Yeah. You know which year New Delhi was made the capital of India? From previously, what was the capital?
Sir, I don't know. New Delhi
Right.
became capital of India in 1911.
Correct. उसका पहले किस जगह capital था?
Sir, is it Kolkata?
Correct. Otherwise, why should I ask you?
Yes, sir, that's why I answered.
Now, who are the owners of major owners of NDTV?
Sir, एक SEBI chairman, his name UK Sinha.
No, he has been appointed as a director, but major shareholder कौन है? Major shareholder is Mr. Adani. Gautam Adani.
Yes, sir, yes.
Adani. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Who is the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry?
Sir, Piyush Goyal.
Excellent. Good. Then what is Syntex company? Syntex company बोलने से आपको क्या याद आएगा? Syntex,
Sir,
SINTEX.
yes, sir. I don't know, sir.
Water tank, black
Okay.
वाला. আপনি
हाँ 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 मैंने देखा
আপনি দেখেছেন?
है
অনেক বাড়িতে হবে না, ওটা সিনট্যাক্স ওয়াটার ট্যাঙ্কার।
yes 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 sir
The news is that Welspun Group has acquired water tank maker Syntex for 1,251 crore.
okay
What is news about UPI as on 1/4/2023?
sir UPI will apply surcharge on the transaction over 2000 it will be in the rate of 1.1% for merchant transaction
Excellent. Good. This much is sufficient for me. What is Roku? ROKU. Why it is in the news? Roku. You may
okay
not
sir
know. It is
no
in
no
foreign countries. Streaming device maker Roku cut jobs 200.
okay
Yeah. Then who is taking over as ASOCAM president?
sir
ASO,
yes sir his name is um, Ajit
Ajay Singh.
Ajay Singh
Ajay Singh of Spice Jet Company.
yes
Ajay Singh of Spice Jet Company.
yes sir
Good. Supposing you are selected as PO of State Bank of India,
yes sir
what good things you will do for the society?
Sir, I will try to reduce NPA.
That is for the bank. I am asking
Yes,
for the society. I know it's a tough question. थोड़ा सोच लो क्या बोलना है, आपको तैयार हो जाइए. Some of the vague questions also they can ask you.
sir, I
समझ गए?
can, yes, sir. I can make people more aware about the schemes and facilities which State Bank of India have, and that will lead to financial inclusion also.
That is one good thing. Then, but you can also tell something about some service that you will be doing for the society, something like that. थोड़ा सोच लो, but there is no definite answer for this. Otherwise, you answered the questions nice. Best wishes. आपने सही बताया. No problem. Thank you. Do you have any questions? Tiasa.
Sir, yes, sir. I have one question that there will be 4 or 5 panel members in my interview, and one will be asking me questions. To whom I will have to maintain eye contact? Only that person, other or
No. See, as you enter the room, you will be looking at the person sitting in the middle and
okay.
smile. Put a broad smile. I don't know how to show the smile. You must put a broad smile and look at the eyes of the chairman and also others. Good morning, sirs. Good morning, madam. Namaskar, madam. Something like that you will speak. Automatically, they will know you are comfortable in English as well as Hindi. Something. Then, when a person asks question, you look at his eyes.
Okay.
And do not ignore others. Just have a look at, with a smile, be looking at others also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let them get good impression. Now, if I'm not going to smile, then how you will be feeling it. Instead, when I
Yes.
smile and talk, you may feel I'm very young.
Yes, sir.
Whereas it is not so.
Sir, give me some suggestion in which point I have to improve.
No, you are managing very well because I have already been having excellent impressions about you. I am sure you must succeed, but sab Bhagwan ka haath mein hai. Like it happened in the case of Rashmi. You know another girl, Rashmi, from our group,
Yes,
and
sir.
she has been selected now as PO in Canara Bank.
Okay.
And and you know, from the first day, I was telling that she will get State Bank, but she has got Canara Bank already. So that way, very happy. So you will also be selected. Don't worry. Don't chinta mat karo. Attend the classes. Watch the videos. Watch the postings I'm making. Try to learn from other websites also, any interesting things, and follow the questions that people are being asked in Kolkata. Try to get some source for answer questions. Pass on the questions to us and try to improve your answering ability for those questions. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
God bless you.
Sir, can I leave?
Yeah. If you want, you can leave. No problem. Please go.
Okay.
You can come at 8 o'clock.
Yes, I will come, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. TSI is leaving. Manisha Ji. Are you
Yes,
ready?
sir.
Manisha.
Yes, sir.
Manisha. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
मनीषा आपका बारे में आप बता सकते हैं? आप तो हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हैं और अंग्रेजी में बोलना चाहते हैं?
I'm comfortable in both.
अच्छा. Right, first imagine this is, you are entering the room, and you are entering the room. How are you going to wish us?
Sir, what time it will be? It will be like good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Whether it be good afternoon, then good noon. Good noon, sir,
No,
and good
for
noon.
you, no, for you, which time is interview?
It is at 12 noon.
So obviously it is going to be afternoon only. So you
Yes.
will enter and say, good afternoon, sirs. Good
Yes, sir.
afternoon, sirs. Good afternoon, madam. Yeah, good. Monisha, please take your seat.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Manisha,
Yes, sir.
what brought you here?
So it was in 2018 that one of my friend, we were like both joining an organization. I was going to join TCS at that time, and my friend was joining as an officer in bank. We had been in connection since that year, and after my marriage, when I was ready to get back to work, that inspiration made me with him, with in a quite touch with him, that made me to reach banking sector again.
True, everything was correct, but first sentence should have been, what brought you here means, with a smile you should say, for State Bank of India PO interviews are in 1988. There you start with that. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
तब तो बढ़िया हो जाता था, because you are going to tell for which purpose you come, and you also relate the purpose that brought you here into the interview table. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah, very nice. So please tell us about your experience in TCS.
I joined TCS in 2017. I worked there for 1 year and 3 months. And during my service in TCS, I was working in the accounts payable department, wherein my area of specialization mainly was vendor invoice processing, vendor account creation, reconciliation of accounting entries, all those modules in the SAP module. And also, sir, in my 1 year experience with TCS, I was also being awarded many appreciations, and I was also a star performer for a month.
Where were you working?
I was working in Gandhinagar.
In Gujarat.
Yes, sir.
You are also now in Gandhinagar?
No, sir, I'm living in Surat.
How far is Surat from, what is that place? Gandhinagar.
It is almost 260 kilometers.
Nowadays, Manisha, सूरत 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 पूरा भारत में सूरत का बात चलता है, क्यों?
So diamonds, the most fascinating is diamonds. डायमंड सिटी के नाम से सूरत को हम जानते हैं. ऑल्सो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री के नाम से सूरत फेमस है. सूरत काफी खाने के लिए भी फेमस है, एज इन पीपल लव कमिंग गुजरात एंड फॉर ईटिंग फूड, स्पेशली लोचो. एंड बहुत सारी ऐसी सेक्टर्स हैं जो अभी गुजरात से एंड इनफैक्ट सूरत से काफी ज्यादा प्रमोट हो रहे हैं.
But you have not told me the important point. Surat court has sent
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Raghav.
yes, the Surat
Why,
court.
why did you hesitate to tell that? You said politics should not be talked. Is that the reason or what?
No, sir.
You were not remembering it.
No, I was remembering, but I just kept out at this point itself.
You thought politics should not be spoken.
No, sir, it's not like that. Political has been an interesting field for me as well. मेरे घर पे हमेशा पापा पॉलिटिक्स में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं न्यूज वगैरह सुनने में तो अपडेट्स तो काफी रहती है.
But ठीक है. This if you had started this with this one first, you would have been rated high. समझ गया?
Yes. हाँ.
Because we have to go along with current affair things.
Yes, got it, sir.
When was the latest elections to assembly took place in Gujarat?
It was last year, sir, 2022.
Who is your chief minister now?
It is Mr. Bhupendra Patel.
How many? Can you know the finance minister's name?
Gujarat's finance minister name?
Yeah.
It is Mr. I'm just skipping it out. Just a second, sir.
No problem.
Sorry, I'm just skipping his name. It is something like Kohli.
Aman, you know that Gujarat chief minister, Gujarat finance minister ka naam?
No, sir. Sorry, I'm not aware about that. I'm
Because
only aware about Delhi only.
Is it
Yes,
Mr.
sir. It is
Kanubai Desai?
Kanubai Desai.
Kanubai Desai. Doesn't matter. Good. Doesn't matter. Now, please come to State Bank of India. Which bank are you having account? HDFC?
Yes, sir. I am having an account in HDFC.
Because I remember you are telling me earlier HDFC. It's okay, fine. Now, tell me something about State Bank of India.
So State Bank of India is an oldest commercial bank, started its operations way back in 1806 from the Bank of Kolkata, after being nationalized and today having over a customer basis of 45 crore. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि जितने SBI के customers हैं उतने तो अमेरिका की population भी नहीं है. And it is covering about 22,000 branches in India and also 62,000 ATMs. It also has a very wide vision of strengthening the nation's Indian nation's $1 trillion economy. And yes, sir.
Can you tell me about their achievements?
Achievements, yes, sir. The mainly part was the financial inclusion drive with for the Jandan account that they had, and I am just skipping it from my mind. They also got an award in 2021 as a best banker, I guess.
You never use the word guess, maybe. Such words should not be used.
Okay.
You must use only definite information that you are able to tell.
Okay, sir. So it is like मैं पढ़ के आई हूँ बट जब मुझसे पूछा जा रहा है मैं उसी टाइम वो चीज दिमाग से निकल जाती है.
No, but ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए because you must feel that you must bring them whenever you need it. And that,
yes.
Unfortunately, Manisha, the problem is the skill to keep in memory is not at all required for a bank officer.
Okay.
Nowadays. Can you tell me why?
So they all look for the management quality because many other field students also apply for the post. There is a wide area of knowledge that requires.
That's one of the reasons. Besides that, My contention is there is no need for a bank officer or a clerk to remember about things. Majority. क्योंकि बताइए, everything is available on the screen on your server.
Yes.
As you approach your what is that laptop or computer, everything comes on the screen.
Yes, sir.
So if interest rate, if somebody asks that 2 साल के लिए कितना interest rate, this is the interest rate. That is how you are going to tell. Would you follow? SBI has won the prestigious DSC. I am just showing it to you. DSCI Excellence Award for Best Security Practices in Banking Sector. Something. This is the one I find here. Then IBA Technology Award 2016-17. Uska alawa bhi, there must be some more achievements. If you go through their annual report, आपको और कुछ भी मिलेगा नया वाला. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very nice. Now, please tell me about the difference between debit card and a credit card.
So debit card is mainly for availing the funds that are within your savings, and credit card is mainly for the expenses that you need to do now, but you want to pay later.
Good. Now, which one would you prefer using?
So both has their positive areas. In case if we are in need to purchase right now and we don't avail some funds, there are facilities on credit card as well. They give us cashback facilities, EMI facilities bhi milti hai. And if we are in surplus fund and we don't want us to expense it later, then we can use debit card. Both has their own positive areas, I feel.
How many digits numbers are there in debit card?
It is 16.
What are the particulars available on the face of a debit card?
It is the debit card number, the expiry date of the card, and the year on
expiry date or what?
Expiry month and year.
Okay, then.
And the account holder's name.
Good.
And what type of debit card it is also written on it.
That means you can explain what type of means which type.
Rather it be a MasterCard, Visa card,
Other
Rupee
card? Good. Then what else will be there on the face of a debit card?
Face of a debit card. All that particulars like the name of the account holder, account debit card number, month and expiry.
You have told all these things. Apart from that, name of the bank,
yes, sir, name of
also the chip. There will be a chip.
Yes, sir.
There will be a chip which contains all the details about our accounts. On the reverse of it, what you will find?
There is a security code, which we called it as a CVV number. It is a 3-digit number.
Good.
And all
what is the expansion of that CVV?
Critical value. Sorry, sir, I'm not remembering it now.
Card verification value.
Card verification value. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Card verification value. Good. Now you are working in State Bank of India. Imagine you are working in State Bank of India. And you are getting an offer for twice this salary from, say, some other company, maybe a bank or not a bank. What will you do? Would you like to switch over to that company? Because imagine after 3 years or 4 years, you are getting this offer. You are going to get twice the salary of State Bank of India. तब क्या करेंगे?
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने एसबीआई ज्वाइन करने का जब एडवर्टीजमेंट आई थी, इट वाज लाइक मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या क्या प्रोसीजर करके एक बैंक में एक ऑफिसर की पोस्ट मिलेगी, एंड मैंने वही चीज तभी अपने माइंड में डिसाइड कर लिया था कि मुझे किस पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना और मेरी वर्किंग्स वहाँ क्या होगी। और अगर मैं एक सर्विस सेक्टर में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ तो मेरा मेन फोकस है सर्विस देना, और मैंने अपना डिसीजन उसी टाइम फिक्स किया था, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्विच फॉर द सैलरी पर्पस।
That is fine. You should also add why you are not mentioning more about that salary. Why are you not so keen about the increase in salary and all that? Because your husband is also working as a businessman, na?
Yes sir.
And you do not depend too much on this, and this will be a supplementary income. Besides that, my getting a job will give a sense of importance for me. And आजकल बिना काम करने से तो one starts feeling bad. You start feeling bad when you are not working. So
Yes
that
sir.
that is the reason that I want to get into a job. Will your family people support you? Because they would have been very happy you're staying at home, doing lot of works and all that. आपको अभी वो लोग खुशी रहेगा?
यस सर, मेरी फैमिली काफी सपोर्टिव है इस मैटर में, मेरे इन-लॉज एंड माय फैमिली बोथ द मेंबर्स,
They are
दे
very
आर
happy.
लाइक यस, दे आर लाइक करियर फर्स्ट, बिकॉज उनका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड इतना अच्छा नहीं है, एंड दे फील दैट कि मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है तो मुझे आगे और अपॉर्चुनिटीज ग्रैब करनी चाहिए।
What is Clearing Corporation of India?
So it is an organization which look after all the clearing department of the financial institution.
ऐसा नहीं है. Clearing Corporation of India Limited was incorporated on 30th April 2001 as the country's first clearing house for government securities, forex, and other related market segments. It commenced operations in 2002. It provides a system of clearing of money, government securities, foreign exchange market. Same thing is repeating. Page number 55 of Aparchit Exam Warriors material. Page number 55.
Okay, sir. I am not able to open it right now because my system पे बैठी हूँ.
I know. Not required. Not you. You should not open now. अच्छा. हम show नहीं किया. कोई बात नहीं. Now let me ask the next question. Please tell me something about BCSBI.
BC
SBI.
Basic Bank.
No.
Okay,
You
bank.
have not read this. Banking Codes and Standards Boards of India.
No, sir, I have not read about it.
Page number 56. Banking Codes and Standard Boards of India was set up on the lines of similar setup in UK to oversee the fair practice code evolved by bankers. Members, the board was set up as a society under Societies Registration Act 1860. Commercial banks, RRBs, urban cooperative banks are its members. RBI was funding the entire cost of operations initially for the period of 5 years. A governing council of BCSBI looks after financial affairs. The tenure of the council is 5 years, and appointment of the council after 5 years would be with the concurrence of RBI. But however, not much discussion is going on nowadays. In a recent interview, they have asked about this. Here, they will study about whether there is any deviation in rules and procedures being followed by banks. For example, one bank offering for 1 year deposit 10% for one person. Another, for all others, they are giving 6%. So ऐसा discriminate करता है ना क्या? ISMPs चीज verify करने के लिए तो BCSBI होता है. समझ गया?
Okay, yes, sir, understood. सर इन केस की अगर मुझे आंसर नहीं आ रहे हैं वो चीज स्ट्रेट अवे नो बोल देना सही है?
या हाँ जी, स्माइल करके बोल दो.
ओके सर.
Sorry sir, I don't know, because everything you can't know.
यस सर.
Sorry sir, I don't know. ऐसा बता दीजिए. First class. You are a woman. Please tell me the schemes brought by government for women's empowerment.
So the Sukanya Samriddhi account, it is for development of girl child and her expenses in the upcoming years. The second is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, and the third is Stand Up India scheme, where women are given advantages to come up in front line. And in the budget, it was also announced a Mahila Vikas Patra scheme, in which a woman can save amount for a period of 2 years with a good amount of interest.
Is it Mahila Vikas or some other?
Mahila Vikas Bachat Patra.
Sir, it was Mahila Samman Bachat Patra.
Correct. Some mistake is there, I saw. Please repeat, Aman.
Sir, it was Mahila Samman Bachat Patra. On that, sir, yeah, there will be the interest rate of 7.5%, the fixed rate of interest, and the investment should be of 2 years.
Correct. Samman Patra. समझ गया? Manisha.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Don't worry. Next one. There can be some question like, where is the whole Sardar Patel statue? Which place is it?
So it is situated in Ekta Nagar, Kevadia, which is 160 kilometers apart from Surat.
And I think last time also I asked you about gift city and all. उसका बारे में भी थोड़ा prepare कर दीजिए.
ठीक है sir, sure.
Good. Can you tell me about what is the famous port which Adani is holding, for which that was the one that was given to him first? What is that port called? Gujarat ports.
Yes, sir. It is known as Kandla Port.
Which port?
Kandla Port.
No. That is, maybe that is also with him, but there is
Mundra Port also.
Correct. What is that?
Mundra Port.
That is the thing I have in mind. Mundra
Many
Port.
ports are being owned by Adani sir in Gujarat.
Yeah. But that is right. But then Mundra, and you as a which state has the longest coastal line in our country?
It is Gujarat.
इसलिए तो पूछा है. अदरवाइज हम क्यों पूछ रहे हैं?
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
जी, गुजरात से क्या क्या ज्यादा एक्सपोर्ट होने वाला है?
सर सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपोर्ट होता है यहाँ से yarn. The second is diamond. The third is industrial parts, and fourth is pharmaceuticals, and fifth is plastic.
Good. I also wish it may not be possible in this life. अगले life में आ जाएंगे. I wish to see Gujarat, because some of the videos I have seen about Gujarat, being described
Yes, sir.
in a
very beautiful.
Very nice way. People, anyhow, best wishes. God bless you. I wish you should succeed. Please attend the interview. Which date is the interview?
It is scheduled on 6th April.
Good. Please attend and send me the list of questions. I'm sure you will send. Many candidates, they don't send the questions to me, but only few of them do send, and you may be one among them. God bless you. Thank you.
Could you give me the feedback in which area should I work? Like
No. Overall, some questions you could not answer to my satisfaction, but many questions you answered much better than what I was expecting. Overall, my rating of you is roughly 8.5 to 9 out of 10. But इसमें क्या मनीषा, majority depends on the cutoff आपने जो लिया है, over cut off point mark ने जो उसका बारे में डिसाइड होगा. So majority of my candidates, they fail. They score very good marks in interview, 72, 80 and all that. But cut off का ज्यादा नहीं होने से तो फर्क, they are not able to get it. But for you, you will stand to get good marks in interview.
Thank
One,
you, sir.
not because you are a lady, not because you are a married woman. अच्छा जी, आपको ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, मैरिड वुमन के लिए वो लोग डिस्करेजिंग क्वेश्चंस पूछेगा. Questions like, how will you go from this any part of the country? How will your family manage this? Your husband has got business here. How are you going to shift to another place? Are you willing to stay separately from your family? ऐसा में भी बहुत सा डिस्करेज करेगा. आपको ये भी पूछेगा, अरे भाई आपको लड़का ना लड़की होने का बाद में भी कैसे काम करेगा आप. सम सच क्वेश्चंस, इसको भी आप तैयार हो जाइए.
सर इज इट ओके, मैंने अरुंधति भट्टाचार्य मैम का इंटरव्यू सुना था जिसमें उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताया था कि कैसे उन्होंने इतने साल स्ट्रगल किया वर्किंग फॉर लाइक 40 इयर्स इन एसबीआई. बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स उनके करियर में हुए. तो क्या मैं एक लेडी का एग्जांपल भी शेयर कर सकती हूँ?
No. You can say my role model is Mrs. Arundhati Bhattacharya, who started her life as a probationary officer, who rose to the extent of chairman, and now what is she? OB find out कर लीजिए, some position she is still occupying.
Okay.
And
So
ऐसा बता
question.
दीजिए, ma'am, because I forgot to ask about this. Because you know what happened in one interview with, I think, which bank was it? Karnataka Bank. There, the girl went only for clerical interview and not clerical, sorry, it was for IBPS PO. IBPS PO in Karnataka. The problem basically was she was not knowing the local language of that place. Number two, she was questioned about the fact why she left her federal bank job. She had to leave because she got married and possibly for delivery she had to leave, something like that. So now the question will come to you why you had to leave your TCS job, and like that also they will struggle you. They will give you troubles under that area. Be ready, be prepared to accept it. Don't think your interview, maybe, I don't know how you felt. Was your interview comfortable with me or was tough?
No, sir, it was very comfortable.
That is because you started having belief in me right from day one.
Yes, sir.
Day one, फर्स्ट टॉक से आपको मेरे पास विश्वास हो गया, इसीलिए आपने, हम जो कुछ बोलते हैं आपको सही लगता है एंड आपको डिफिकल्टी भी फील नहीं करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
So take the interviewers also to be like that and go ahead. I'm sure you will succeed.
एंड सर वन मोर क्वेश्चन कि अगर मुझे ऐसा पूछते हैं कि आप अपने ही सिटी में कोई प्राइवेट बैंक ज्वाइन कर लें, आप अपने फैमिली के साथ ही रहेंगे, आपको वहां पे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल होगा, तो इस सवाल का मैं आंसर कैसे टैकल करूं?
You are putting question to me, but there is no definite answer. The obvious answer is क्या जी, अब तो प्राइवेट बैंक में तो आपको तलब इतना अच्छा सैलरी नहीं देते हैं और उधर का सर्विस कंडीशन भी सुविधा नहीं होते हैं. They force people to work till very late night also. I don't mind working up to 7, 8 in the bank, but there we have to work very late also. That way you
एक्चुअली
you don't put about the canvassing aspect there. Yeah.
yes,
Next
actually
question.
I had this conversation with my husband. My husband started asking me this question, so I was not at all satisfied what I said to him कि आपको तो पब्लिक सेक्टर में भी आपको इतनी ही देर काम करना पड़ेगा. अभी आप बोल रहे हैं प्राइवेट में लेट तक काम कराते हैं, तो आप वहां काम नहीं करेंगे और आप यहाँ आप सर्विस देंगे 100%. So he was not at all satisfied with what I am saying.
No, but you can openly tell that तलब तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. अरे आप अभी HDFC में जाने से तो कल से आपको नौकरी मिल जाएगा. आपको 25,000 रुपया सैलरी मिलेगा. आई एम नॉट द चेयरमैन ऑफ HDFC, जस्ट आई एम जोकिंग. So, but the problem is they will ask you to come at 9 o'clock. You have to work till 9 o'clock in the night, minimum.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This you can tell openly. अरे भाई उधर तो तलब बहुत कम है.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir. Sir, my name is Abhishek.
Good evening, Abhishek. Your number is what? 99107.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my
You will
interview was
come-
scheduled for 7:40.
Yeah, yeah. You will come after our Aman, for whom 7:20 is the time given. I'll be with Aman and then come to you. Okay.
Okay, sir, fine.
Yeah, we will continue. The 8 o'clock class will continue as an interview today because the lot of demand is there and the time taken is more. I can't cut the interview in 10 minutes, 15 minutes and all because you all depend on me for so much. इसलिए थोड़ा देरी होता है. We will continue with Mr. Aman.
Okay, sir.
Aman ji.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Aman. This is being recorded. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
And also on YouTube Live. Yeah.